Find the value of x that makes the triangles congruent. So first task here is to figure out how the angles match up with each other. And I noticed that we have an 89 here, so those match up, and 33 and 33 match up. So this 5x plus 13 degrees has to go with this one. Okay, so if we're going to write an equation to find x, we're going to use the idea that if you have congruent triangles, then the corresponding parts are all congruent. And that means this 5x plus 13 degrees would have to be the same as this angle over here. We don't know the measure of that angle, but we do have the measures of the other two. So how do you figure out that third angle? Well, the thing is, every single triangle for the interior angles, the sum is 180 degrees. So that means 89 degrees plus 33 degrees plus we don't know degrees has to equal 180 degrees. It's one of the many special properties of triangles. So what I can do is I can say 89 degrees plus 33 degrees plus, let's just label this point A, plus the measure of angle A equals 180 degrees. Okay, now this 89 plus 33, we can combine those. So let's see, 89 and 33. That's 122 degrees. So there you can see 122 degrees plus the measure of angle A equals 180 degrees. To find the measure of angle A, I'm going to subtract 122 degrees. So the measure of angle A is 58 degrees. Okay, now I can write an equation for 5x plus 13 equals 58. Subtract 13 from both sides. So 5x equals 58 minus 13, which is 45. Then divide by 5. We would get x equals 9. So let's just double check that. If we put a 9 here, 5 times 9 is 45, and 45 plus 13 is 58, which is the same as this measure of angle A over here. So that means x equals 9 does work. So the value of x that makes the triangles congruent is x equals 9.